How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Very good, very good. I'm not gonna hold up too much of your time because I know we always keep you working.
Yes, and this is funny.
Yeah, I know.
Because I'm usually the one with the mic interviewing, so this is really funny. But go ahead, I'm waiting.
I think it'll be fun this time if I get some inside information, some things that maybe everybody doesn't know about you.
Oh, okay.
Like, tell us what's your favorite song to step to?
Please. My theme song, Glenn Jones, At Last.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to talk to the DJ. How about your favorite dessert? Something you just can't say no to.
Well, I make a good banana pudding.
You make a good banana pudding. All right, y'all heard that first. We might have to go to a commercial. If you could go on vacation anywhere in the world, where would you go?
Anywhere in the world. I'd go to Hawaii.
Hawaii?
Just chill.
Just chill. No dancing, nothing. Just
no.
I hear that.
I leave you all here.
And last but not least, tell me what's your favorite mode of transportation? Would you fly? Would you drive? You got a favorite car?
Now, okay, you know what though.
Tell me something we don't know.
It depends on what I'm doing.
Okay.
Now, flying to California, okay?
I hear you.
But to Mississippi, I love driving down there. I drive all the way.
Very cool, very cool. You got a favorite car?
I like the Hyundai Santa Fe. I like the little truck.
Okay. Yeah. Very cool, very cool. Well, thanks for spending some time. If we want to drop you an email or check you out, where can people look for you?
Oh, my stuff is so long. I tell y'all what y'all do. Go to myspace.com/Steppers Connection. That's what you do.
Thank you so much for spending some time. Let me flip the script.
Hey, Virginia V. Steppers.
We're going to get her down there soon, y'all.
One day.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, sweetheart.